All right, let's look at this example. Solve this triangle. All right, if we look at it, what are we given? We're given an angle and then an angle and a side. So this is an angle, angle, side problem. Or you could call it a side angle, angle problem. It doesn't really matter. So let's see, what can we solve for here? Well, we're given a couple of things. We're given, well, first off, we can find C really easily, angle C. Angle C is going to be 180 minus 23 minus 130. So that's, what is that, 37, 27? 180 minus 23 minus 130. Yeah, 27 degrees. That's a capital C. All right. And now we can find, we want to find little b and little c. All right. So little c over sine c is little a over sine 23. So little c is 10 sine 27 over sine 23. 11.6. That's little c. Little c equals 11.6. And the last thing to figure out is little b. Little b over sine b. What is b? B is 130 degrees equals 10 over sine 23. All right, I'm going to be lazy and just cross multiply this over there. Let's see, so I get 10 sine 130 divided by sine 23. Gives me 19.6. I think on all these problems, I'm going to round to the just a one decimal place. I'll try to keep that consistent. All right. This next problem, solve the triangle with A is 50, C is 33, and B is 50. All right. So which type of problem is this? I mean, honestly, I don't know. I would have to draw the triangle and see. So here's what I'm going to do. A is 50 degrees and C is 33. So 50 degrees, that's going to be, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw like the bottom of my triangle first. And then 50 degrees, that's a little more than 45. And then 33 degrees, that's going to be maybe something like that. Let's see, so 50, 33 degrees. So that's C, this is A, this is angle B. They told us little b is 50. So just looking at this, this is an angle side angle problem because we're given this angle, this side, and that angle. All right, so immediately on all of these, you can find the missing angle quickly. I'm not even going to write it down on this one. That missing angle is going to be 180 minus 50 minus 33. Yeah, it's going to be 97. Why am I using a calculator? So B is 97 degrees. And then we can just work out the other two sides like we've done before. Let's see, A over sine A equals B, 50, over sine B. And I'm going to multiply both sides of this by sine 50 and get 50 sine 50 over sine 97. Yeah, 38.6 when I round. So that's got an A, and the last thing to get is little b. Little b over sine b. B was 97 equals, wait a second, we've already got little b. What do we see? That's not what we need. We've got little b, we need little c. So little c over sine c, sine 33, equals, let's don't use a because a, again, is a rounded number. Let's use b because it's exact. 50 over sine, what's opposite 50 degree, or what's opposite the side of length 50? Angle B, which is 97. So again, I'll multiply by sine 33 on both sides, and I'll get 50 sine 33 over sine 97. So we get 27.4. All right, so this is feeling really repetitive. There's one more example here. I'll go ahead and work it out. Maybe you want to do it on your own and then compare your answer, but I'm going to work it out anyway. Let's see. We've got a little a and or big A and big C. So let's see. C is 70 degrees. It's going to look maybe about like that. 44 degrees. Maybe like that. A is 44. Let me pull that out and write it legibly. Ah, I lost my triangle. Write this legibly. 44 degrees. And so B is unknown. And little c over here is 10. We got to come up with little a and little b. So big B is going to be 180 minus 77, or no, minus 70 minus 44. B is 66 degrees. Let's see, little a over sine 44 is equal to little c over sine c. So I got 7.39, so I'm going to round that to 7.4 for my little a. And then little b will do essentially the same thing. Little b over sine 66 equals 10 over sine 70. So 10 sine 66 divided by sine 70 is 9.72. So 9.7 is my B. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to these angle side and angle side angle. Actually, I didn't even say what this type of problem was. It doesn't really matter what type of problem it is, at least unless it's a side angle, unless it's an angle. Well, between these two types of problems, it doesn't matter. Well, let's see, what is this? We were given A, we were given C, we were given side C. So going around, this is an angle side. All right, so we'll pick up with the side angle problems in the next video.